But let's get on to our next one, talking about the weekly statements and breaking them down. We're going to bring Sheldon on in just a few moments. So Sheldon, if you want, I see in the back end, we're going to go through this real quick,
Sheldon.
and then we'll bring you on right after that.
Okay, this is all you, buddy. This is all you. I'm
all
like,
right.
you asked me about that screenshot today, right?
Which one?
And I sent it to you, right? So there you go. It's all here. Go ahead. Yeah, there you go.
The screenshot. Oh yeah, for the fees.
Mm-hmm.
You and I go back and forth on so many screenshots, I can't even keep them straight anymore. So, so one of the big things is the weekly statement. A lot of people, when it comes down to it, they look at the per ride, and I get it. Like, you look at the price, you see what the customer paid, and you're like, why am I not getting paid 80% of that? Why am I not getting paid 75% of that? Why is Uber getting 50%? Why is the customer paying $50? I'm making $25 if I'm lucky. Why on the rare cases, why are they getting charged $88 and I'm making $12? I just saw that screenshot recently, so that's why it was in my mind. But either way, when it comes down to it, it's annoying. It pisses me off. I'm sure it pisses everybody else off. But the biggest thing is, when it averages out, and when you're playing it smart and you're using the knowledge, because we talked about that in just a little bit ago with the knowledge, if you can apply that knowledge, that is where you're going to be able to take advantage of things. You're going to be able to, kind of maneuver the app in a more profitable way for you, and a little bit less profitable for Uber and Lyft. So when it comes down to these weekly statements, this is an email that you got. So it says, "Hey Sergio, every Monday you receive the weekly statement that shows exactly how much you earned the previous week. Including the summary is a detailed breakdown of the fees we charge customers, what it goes to, commercial auto insurance, city region fees, tolls, and airport surges." The commercial auto insurance, look, I want to see an actual physical breakdown of that. I want to see it actually being charged. I want to see on the friggin' receipt for the actual thing. I want to see that number, because I don't believe when you're getting, a $9 commercial surge, fee or surcharge, whatever you want to call it, on the friggin' ride for something that's like a minimum fare distance ride. Something does not seem right there.
Yeah.
And trust me, like I said, we got the same gripes that everybody else probably does too. But, we also are breaking down, we're looking at it a little bit more. So, it's just something to do. So we're going to say how you can read it. So on the next thing, how to read your weekly earnings statements. So on the first page, you see how much you made, how much you cashed out. So it's going to show you that. On the earnings breakdown, you can then see how much you made on trips, promotions, and tips. And then on the last part, you're going to see the weekly service fee. So these statements also include how much the weekly service fee was out of the customer price. So you can kind of see all that. You see the customer price, the customer promotion, the tip, the third-party fees and operational expenses, which is the regional city fees, tolls, and then the commercial auto insurance. And look, I mean, how big they are, how many trips are going on. If they're actually spending that amount of money on one trip, they're getting ripped the F off. And there's no way. If you're doing that, you're probably getting a prime discount at it. So, I mean, I understand. Yeah, there's probably a lot of accidents that are happening and going on at a particular time. I mean, how many accidents happen on that safety report last that they broke or that they had put out?
Okay, on that trip I sent you today, that was a 15-minute trip, 11 miles. $9 was the commercial insurance, bro. $9. Come on, man. But I'm pretty sure now, marketplace fees disappeared. Marketplace fee, I'm pretty sure is in that. I'm trying to find out. Uber will not come back to me. Uber, this is horseshit. You know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. I mean, I'm going to find out one way or the other. So if the marketplace fee is in there and you're hiding that in the commercial insurance, that's a no-no. That's illegal. So you know. But anyway, we need the breakdown again, just like it used to be. Marketplace fee, service charge, commercial insurance, California driver's benefits, whatever, city fee, taxes. Just break it down like a human being, bro. Come on now. There you go.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself.
Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.